did the happy prince tell the swallow to stay for the third night? Third night again, the swallow was
The happy
about.
prince saw a little girl, a little match girl,
He wanted
magic
to help
girl,
a little match girl.
and all
To help
spoiled.
the match girl.
So he helped the matched girl
To
by
help,
giving
okay,
some
to help
prize.
the match girl. What was the problem with the match girl?
His her
Matches
matchstick
fall in the gutter and they are
All
all
spoiled by
falling
was
into
falling
the
into the
Her
matchstick
matchstick has fallen into the
Priyanshu,
stream.
Priyanshu Raj, you answer. Priyanshu Raj.
Her matchstick was fallen in the gutter and
Yes, very
she
good.
can't able to sell it.
Yes, matchstick had fallen in the gutter, and if she will not take money to her father, then father will beat
will
her.
beat her.
So she was crying. What was the condition of the match girl? What showed that she was very poor?
She don't have shoes or any stockings. She was bare feet on the ground and she was not wearing any worn clothes.
Yes, she did not have stockings to wear.
Very good, Tanuj.
Bare feet. When the happy, what did the swallow do on the sitting on the prince's shoulder? When I point out, you'll answer. If you answer
He
together,
saw the
He told the
let
stories
me.
of
Let
what
me.
he
All
had
the
seen in strange lands.
he told the
Hello.
stories about scene in the strange land.
Okay.
and what is happening in his country.
Yes, he told the swallow to go and see what was happening in his country. And what did the swallow see when he traveled in the country of the prince? What did the swallow see when Ambesh
saw
Kumar
rich
answer?
men.
Ambesh Kumar.
Saw two beggars.
Huh?
Of her country,
What did he
she
see?
saw the happy Mary of
He
the
saw
rich
two
person
beggars.
and the
Ambesh,
poverty of
Ambesh Kumar. Answer? Hello? Hello?
yes ma'am.
Ambesh Kumar नहीं सुन रहे हो? Answer? Bhavya? Bhavya is present?
Yes, can I?
Srishti?
May I answer?
Advit? Okay, Advit answer.
Ma'am, the rich were very happy with their life and the beggars were begging at the gate.
Yes, the rich were making merry. Merry means happy. And the beggars were begging at the gate. After that, what did he see? He saw the two boys. What was the condition of the two boys? Hello? Who will answer?
the two boys
Ma'am,
Pragya answer.
They were happy and lying in
ma'am,
each
white
other's
faces
arms.
of starving.
Yes.
they were holding the warm.
They were white.
Shreyasi answer. Shreyasi.
Ma'am, their faces were turned white because of their hunger.
Yes, very good. Face was white because of hunger. And what else? What else showed their extreme poverty?
When
They
they
were
were
not
lying in each other's
and
arms.
Yes,
hungry
They
and
were
they were
hanging from each other's arm because they don't have clothes to warm themselves.
yes, very good. They were lying in each other's arms. Why? Because they did not have clothes to warm their body. So they were lying in each other's arms to warm their body. And what did the watchman tell them? Were they allowed even to stay under the bridge?
no ma'am. The watchman tells them to go out from this bridge.
Yes, the watchman
The
scolded them.
watchman
Yes,
says
ma'am.
that
The watchman
To go out from
scolded them and said them to move away from there. And then the two boys, they started wandering in the rain. What is the meaning of wandering?
Ma'am, इधर घूमना.
Bhatakna.
Roam here and there. What important decision did the swallow make?
The swallow make the important decision.
With the prince.
He will always stay with the
Whatever.
prince.
Yes, very good. The swallow made the important decision that she will always stay with the prince because the prince had become blind. Both the sapphires of his eyes had been taken out, one to help the writer and the other to help the match girl. And now he was blind, so he needed someone's help and support. So the swallow said that now I will not go to Egypt. I will stay with you always. Listlessly means what? Starving.
Without energy.
Yes, very good.
Without energy.
Priya. Without energy. And what is the meaning of starving? What is
Hungry.
Hungry.
Yes,
Hungry.
starving. Priyanshu, what is the meaning of starving? Priyanshu?
Hungry.
Yes,
I'm
very good.
hungry.
Hungry children, without energy, listlessly, without any energy. Two little boys, ये तो हो गया था. Then he flew back to the prince and he told the prince what he had seen. So the prince said that I am covered with fine gold. You must take it off leaf by leaf and give it to the poor. So the prince said that my body is covered with gold, and what use is this gold leaf on my body? If you give it to the poor, gold is a precious metal, very costly, expensive metal, and if you give it to the poor, then they can sell it and they can satisfy their basic needs. The living always think that gold can make them happy. All the human beings, the living people, they think that gold can make them happy. And it is a truth also, because gold is very expensive metal. Leaf after leaf of the fine gold, the swallow picked off. And what happened? Leaf after leaf, the swallow picked off all the golden leaf from the body of the prince, because there was so much poverty in the city. So there were many other people. There was so much of poverty in the city that he had to. There was so much of poverty in the city that all the leaf was consumed one by one. Give it to the poor. The picked off till the happy prince looked quite dull and grey. So the beauty of the happy prince was because of the golden leaves. Why did his body look so beautiful? Because it was covered with golden leaves. And what happened when all the golden leaves were taken off from his body?
Her body become dull and grey.
The body looked dull and grey. Inside it was
Body
made of.
become dull and gray.
Yes, very good. The body became dull and grey because the inside of the body, the structure was made of lead. And lead is a dull metal, quite dull and grey. So leaf after leaf of the, so no longer the statue of the happy prince looked beautiful. Earlier it was beautiful. What was the condition now? Now the body of the happy prince did not look
Dull and gray.
Yes, dull and grey. He brought to the poor and the children's faces grew rosier. So his body became dull. What about the children's faces which were white? एक समय जो बच्चों का चेहरा एकदम white था वो अब क्या हो गया? दिनेश आंसर. दिनेश कुमार आंसर.
What is the question, ma'am?
Happy.
Question is that earlier the faces of the children were white. Now what happened to their faces?
The faces become rosier.
And the faces become grew rosier.
Yes,
Children's faces grew rosier and they laughed and played in the street.
They laughed and played in
two
this
students
street.
don't answer at all. इससे दिनेश से question पूछे, he did not answer. Why? So faces grew rosier.
Can I?
हाँ, अब जो गरीब बच्चे थे जिनके चेहरे एकदम रंग उड़ गया था. What happened? Now they had good food to eat because they sold the gold and they had lot of money. They could eat full stomach. They could eat all the food that they desired, and so their faces grew rosier. So on one hand, the statue of the happy prince became ugly, but the children's faces became rosier and they laughed and played in the street. Now they were happy, they were contented, satisfied. They laughed and played in the street. We have bread now, they cried, and all of them, they were very happy. अब हमारे पास खाना है. We have bread now. They are happy,
मैम
energetic.
देख
हाँ.
मैम
Earlier,
हमारे
what
पास
was?
ब्रेड है.
We have bread. So earlier they did not have anything to eat. Now they had plenty of food. They were very happy. Earlier their faces were listless, without energy. Now they were laughing and playing, full of energy, full of laughter. Then the snow came, and after the snow came the frost. So the snow came, and after the snow came the hard snow, the frost. And the streets looked as if they were made of silver. And what was the condition of the streets when the snow came?
It is made up of silver.
It looked as if it was made up of silver. The whole city was covered with snow. And how did the snow covered city look? The snow covered city looked as if it was made of silver. पूरा city में जो है snow का एक covering आ गया, and it looked as if the city was made of silver. Everybody went about in furs, and when winter came, what happened? All the people, they wore furry clothes, clothes made of fur. The people, they wore the clothes made of fur to protect themselves from the extreme cold. And the little boys wore scarlet caps. Scarlet means deep red color. Scarlet. What's the meaning of scarlet? Scarlet means deep red color.
Deep red color.
हाँ,
Deep
deep
red.
red. तो
Deep
छोटे
red.
बच्चों जो है वो किस रंग के कैप्स पहन? Deep red color के, and skated on the ice. And how did they pass their time? They skated on the ice. Ice skating is a very popular sport. Everybody likes to skate on the ice. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder. What about the swallow? The swallow's body was not adapted to tolerate that bitter cold. Swallow is very delicate bird. बहुत कोमल, बहुत, उसके swallow का body उतना cold सहन करने के लायक नहीं होता है. So what was the condition of the swallow? His body was growing colder and colder. He was not able to tolerate that extreme bitter cold. But then also, he did not leave the prince. He was not concerned about himself. He loved the prince more than his own life. The swallow loved the prince more than his own life. He would not leave the prince. He loved him too well. He picked up crumbs outside the baker's door when the baker was not looking. और swallow अपना खाना कहाँ से लाता था? वो baker जो छोटा छोटा bread का टुकड़ा ऐसे ही रखता था बाहर, वो bread crumbs, pieces of bread. So how did the swallow satisfy his hunger? By picking up pieces of bread from the baker's door when the baker was not looking. When the baker was engaged in his work, जब baker अपने काम में बहुत busy होता था और नहीं देख रहा होता था, तो वो जल्दी से वहां से bread का piece लेके आ जाता था. When the baker was not looking, and tried to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. Flapping means what? moving up and down, फड़फड़ाना,
moving them wings.
move the wings up and down very quickly. Huh? Moving of the wings. So flapping means moving the wings. So moving up and down. So how did the swallow try to keep his body warm? By the movement of his wings. Sometimes in winter when we feel very cold, what do? You rub both your palms together. करते हैं हाथ को ऐसे ऐसे रगड़ते हैं. So that because of the friction, we get warmth. So just as we just rub our palms to make our body a little bit warm, the swallow also, he tried to flap his wings to keep his body warm. There was no other option left before him. So by flapping his wings, but at last he knew that he was going to die. But the swallow knew very well that he cannot tolerate that much of cold. He was trying to save himself by flapping his wings. लेकिन swallow को ये भी पता था कि वो बहुत दिन इस तरह नहीं जीवित रह सकता. His body could not tolerate that much of cold. He had just enough strength to fly up to the prince's shoulder once more. Now the swallow was left without any energy. Due to the extreme cold, what had happened? There was no energy left in his body. And there was just enough strength. उतना ही ताकत बच गया था जितना कि वो अपने उड़ के किसी तरह प्रिंस के शोल्डर पर जाके बैठ जाए. Goodbye, dear prince, he murmured. Will you let me kiss your hand? So why does the swallow say goodbye? Anyone answer?
Because he knew that
Because
he will be
knew that
died
he was
soon.
not surviving this
Yes,
temperature.
because he knew very well that he is going to die. तो मरने से पहले उसने प्रिंस को goodbye कहा. Goodbye, dear prince, he murmured. Murmured means speak in a very low voice. Speak.
Ma'am, bunbunana.
Bunbunana, speak in
फुसफुसाना
low voice. तो एकदम धीमी आवाज में, मतलब इतना एनर्जी भी नहीं बच गया था कि वो जोर से बोल सके. Even that much of energy was not left that he could speak loudly. He just murmured, will you let me kiss your hand? Before dying, what was the swallow's last wish? उसकी अंतिम इच्छा क्या थी?
Will you let me kiss your hand?
That he wanted to kiss the hand of the happy prince. He loved him so much. And he loved him so much that he sacrificed his life for the happy prince. चाहता तो वो उड़ के अपने दोस्तों के साथ इजिप्ट में जा सकता था. But he chose to stay there with the happy prince, and he sacrificed his life for the sake of the happy prince. I am glad that you are going to Egypt at last, little swallow, said the prince. So when the swallow said goodbye, the prince misunderstood him. Prince ने क्या सोचा कि swallow is going to Egypt. The prince did not have the idea that the swallow is going to die. Because he had no eyes, he could not see the condition of the swallow, that how it was suffering from the extreme cold. So the prince was not aware at all of the bad condition of the swallow, pathetic condition. Swallow की जो pathetic condition थी, दयनीय स्थिति, that the prince was not able to see. So when the swallow said goodbye, the prince thought that the swallow is going to Egypt, and the prince was very happy. चलो कि अब ये अपने जगह पे चला जाएगा. I'm glad that you are going to Egypt at last, little swallow, said the prince. You have stayed too long here, but you must kiss me on the lips. But he said that you have stayed too long here. But the prince said that before you go to Egypt, I want you to kiss me on my lips because I love you. So both the prince and the swallow, they were very good people, kind, helpful, and they loved each other dearly. Both of them had lot of love for each other. So he said that, please kiss me on my lips because I love you. It's not to Egypt that I'm going, said the swallow. So the prince had misunderstood him. So he clarified, उसने clarify किया कि मैं इजिप्ट नहीं जा रही हूँ. I'm going to the house of death. Then the swallow told him the truth, that very soon I am going to die. I'm not going to Egypt. I'm going to the house of death. Death is the brother of sleep. Death and sleep are somewhat similar. In sleep also, you are unconscious, you are not aware of what is happening. Death is also similar in some respects. Is he not? And he kissed the happy prince on the lips and fell down dead at his feet. And the swallow, as the prince had told him, prince ने कहा कि kiss me on my lips. So the swallow kissed him on the lips, and poor swallow, he fell down dead at his feet. बेचारा swallow, उतना ठंड जो है वो बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाया. He was not able to tolerate that extreme cold, and he fell down dead at his feet.
हम शहीद हो गया
हाँ, शहीद हो गया बेचारा swallow.
अपने देशवासियों के लिए.
हाँ, हैप्पी प्रिंस के लिए शहीद हुआ. उसको तो उस सिटी से वैसा लगाव नहीं था, लेकिन उसको क्यों लगाव था? हैप्पी प्रिंस के कारण. So it was because of the love for the happy prince. And also he was kind hearted, otherwise he wouldn't have stayed there. Yes.
मैम
हाँ, बोलो, कुछ पूछना है
मैम कोई कोई तो सोते हुए भी कॉन्शियस रहता है.
क्या?
मैम कोई कोई तो सोते हुए भी कॉन्शियस रहता है.
सोते हुए कॉन्शियस?
कौन रहता
यस
है?
मैम.
तो वो
ध्रुव पांडे रहते हैं, ध्रुव
तो वो
पांडे.
deep-
मेरी मम्मी.
नो मैम, सही में मरने के बाद आदमी का ब्रेन 6 घंटे तक एक्टिव रहता है.
अलग बात है, लेकिन वैसा एक्टिव नहीं रहता कि मर गया और उठ के खड़ा पानी पी रहा है.
Yes, ma'am, वैसा एक्टिव नहीं रहता.
भी रहता है.
active in some ways, partial, minimum. ऐसा नहीं कि
यस मैम.
हाँ,
Yes,
कुछ
ma'am,
समझ-
कि अचानक से मैम खड़ा हो गया, ऐसे वैसे नहीं.
हाँ. So poor swallow, what happened? The poor swallow could not tolerate the extreme cold, and he fell down dead at the feet of the happy prince. At that moment, a curious crack sounded inside the statue, as if something had broken. So, and when the swallow was dead, what happened? At that time, a curious crack, किसी चीज के फटने की आवाज आई. Curious, एक strange तरह का sound आया. जैसे क्रैक, कोई चीज फटता है तो आवाज आती है ना, वैसा साउंड आया. कहाँ से आया फटने की आवाज?
स्टैच्यू से.
स्टैच्यू से आया. And what if something had
Inside.
broken? So what kind of sound it was? As if something had broken. And what had broken? The leaden heart had snapped
Statue.
right in two. Snapped means separated. What had happened to the leaden heart? जो हैप्पी प्रिंस का जो दिल था वो 2 टुकड़ों में बट गया. हाँ. So what was the crack sound? It was the breaking sound of the heart of the happy prince, and the death of the swallow broke the heart of the happy prince. The death of the swallow broke the heart of the happy prince in 2 parts. It was certainly a dreadfully hard frost. Dreadful means fearful. Fearfully मतलब बहुत डरावनी ठंड थी. Extreme जो ठंड होता, that is very frightful. It is if you don't take precautions, you can you can die also because of the extreme cold. That is why it is said to be very frightful, dreadful, frightfully, hard frost. Early the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square. Mayor is the person who is in charge of the town. Mayor looks after everything.
Town council.
Mayor, वो position होता है officer. So the mayor was walking in the square below in the company with the town councillors. Councillors means the ministers. So the mayor was walking along with the ministers. As they passed the column, he looked up the statue. So the mayor and the minister were just walking in the town. And when they went near the statue, what happened? He looked up at the statue. Dear me, how shabby the happy prince looks. Now, earlier the statue was very beautiful. Ruby, sapphire, golden leaves. All this made the statue very beautiful. Now, what happened when all these things had disappeared from the body of the happy prince? The statue looked very dirty. Shabby means what?
Stabby.
Shabby
Ma'am,
means
ma'am,
Ma'am, बेकार.
ma'am, darar aa jana, ma'am.
dirty. Shabby means
Ma'am, in
dirty.
poor condition.
Shabby, dirty. So how shabby the happy prince looks, he said. How shabby indeed, cried the town councillors, who always agreed with the mayor. जो मिनिस्टर्स थे वो मेयर के बात को कभी काटते नहीं थे. Boss is always right. If your boss is angry with you, then you can get into trouble, isn't it? तो मिनिस्टर्स जो है वो कभी मेयर के बात को नहीं काटते थे, हमेशा एग्री ही करते थे. So mayor said that the statue is looking very ugly, very dirty. And the councillors also repeated it. Yes, how shabby indeed. Who always agreed with the mayor, and they went up to look at it. And all of them, they went up to look at the statue. Statue को अच्छे से observe करने वहां गए. The ruby has fallen out of his sword. So the minister and the mayor did not know about the swallow and the happy prince, how they had helped the people with all those precious things. What did they think? कि वो जो है अपने से गिर गया. The ruby has fallen out of his sword. So the mayor and the ministers thought that the precious stones had fallen by themselves. His eyes are gone and he is golden no longer, said the mayor. In fact, he is little better than a beggar. And how was the statue looking now? Earlier it was looking like a statue.
Ma'am, beggar, like beggar.
Now it was looking like the statue of a beggar, little better than a beggar. एकदम भिखारी के तरह statue लग रहा था, गंदा सा, भद्दा सा. Said the town councillors. And here is actually a dead bird at his feet, continued the mayor. And they also saw the dead swallow at the feet of the happy prince. Continued the mayor, we must really issue a proclamation. Proclamation means announcement.
Announcement.
Ma'am, announcement.
तो उन्होंने क्या कहा कि ये जो बर्ड्स हैं वो आके टाउन को गंदा करते हैं, तो हम लोग जो है पूरे टाउन में, सिटी में अनाउंसमेंट कर देंगे कि birds are not allowed. The birds, they come and they die and they make the city ugly, dirty. So we must issue an announcement, public announcement. अच्छा, announcement which. So it's already time. We'll continue tomorrow. One paragraph is left. So we will continue tomorrow and we will discuss the question answers. Okay.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
And
Have a
be
nice
prepared.
ma'am.
Be prepared.
Good day, ma'am. Nice day, ma'am.
Yes, have a nice day. I will also ask you questions from whatever I taught today.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Have a good day. Have a good
See you. Bye, ma'am.
bye. Bye.
काय रे भंडा
अरे अवनीत कैसे हो?
बेटा क्या रे बेटा?
तू भंडिया मिल्क है मिल्क
अबे कुछ मत बोल, अबे कुछ मत बोल, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है बे, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, शांत है,
चुप
कुछ मत बोल।
गधा।
अच्छा चल चल
यूट्यूब में जाएगा।
बे यूट्यूब पे है कितना सब्सक्राइबर 20-25 है
उसमें से एक हम भी है।
तू है उसमें से, हम भी एक है।
ओह कौन गा रहा?
अनुज नाम का लड़का
हाँ?
है, अनुज नाम का लड़का।
अरे अरे मेरा माइक कौन था?
कैसा है अनुज?
मस्त।
लेकिन जब तुम ऑनलाइन होते तो कोई ऑनलाइन नहीं रहता।
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है मेरा।
वाओ, हमारे साथ यही सब प्रॉब्लम होते रहते हैं।
और मेरे साथ और भी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, रहता आदत है।
अगर आपका कोई दोस्त हो जो ऐड कर लो तुम, ठीक है ना?
मेरा कोई दोस्त जो है पता नहीं,
कोई भी हो जो अच्छा हो, भरोसे लाइक।
ठीक है देखें।
क्योंकि हम लोग का ग्रुप में ऐसे ही सब ऐड कर रहे हैं।
मैं ये सोच रहा क्योंकि हम सोचे थे कम रहेगा, ग्रुप बढ़ते ही
क्या?
हम सोचे थे कम बच्चा रहेगा, ज्यादा ही
नहीं, कम नहीं रहना है, ज्यादा रहना है।
ओ तुम तो पहले बोल रहे थे कि बस एक
मैक्सिमम। अरे वो हम लोग अपने क्लास ग्रुप का बात कर रहे थे, लेकिन अब मतलब थोड़ा सा मतलब सीरियस हो गया। मैक्सिमम
अच्छा
उससे ज्यादा नहीं रखेंगे, मुझसे ज्यादा फिर भाषण मच जाएगा ग्रुप पर।
सही